Hi everyone, this is Attorney Dana and ginugulo ako guys. So for today, I'm not gonna share with you something legal or law related things, but I'm going to share it with you this one. Chemistry Pineapple Enzyme Intimate Wash. I'm so happy na nag-iba na sila ng formulation because before, parang medyo meron siyang pagka Middle Eastern scent or something like panglalaki. Pero ngayon, ang ganda na ng formulation nila sa bagong release na ganito, feminine wash nila. So, pangalawang bottle ko na siya and I swear, magko-continue na ito na lang talaga yung binibili kong intimate wash. And ako kasi guys, sobrang sensitive ko sa baba, sa skin. Well, lahat naman, pati yung face ko, skin down there, sobrang sensitive. So, you would understand talaga na I'm looking for products that really work for my skin, that really work for me. And ito talaga yung nagustuhan ko. So, if you wanna try this one, it has a cooling effect. It's very good for us women. It's formulated by a woman for women like us. So, let's support. Check nyo lang yung Yellow Basket dyan sa baba. Thank you so much!